Hi, it's Michael here from the Hobby Man and Hearns Hobbies. I'm here to demonstrate a couple of products by Green Stuff World, specifically the chrome metal colours. It's an alcohol-based paint, and it's the closest thing you can get to a proper mirror chrome in a hand paint. Great for small details like car mirrors, car detailing that might be chrome bumpers, model cars, that kind of thing. Also armour and that kind of thing can come out really nice. Jewellery, if you're painting that. It's phenomenal paint. I want to show you a couple of my favourites. First of all, I will show you this one here, which is the chrome metal. Now give that a really good shake to make sure that the pigment is mixed. I'll put a little bit there, just paint with it, and it's beautifully easy to paint with. You can see that it's a bit swirly to start with, but once you've laid it down and painted with it, and you can see a little goes an awfully long way, and yep, as that now settles, it's going to come into a really beautiful mirror chrome in just a few minutes. As I said, alcohol base, I'm cleaning my brush and thinning it if necessary with isopropyl alcohol rather than water. Now have a look at the finish on that. See how that glistens? Really beautiful, shiny mirror chrome. That is not like a silver. If I showed you a contrast between that and silver, you'd see how different it ends up looking. Another one of my favourites is this one here, which is tin plate chrome metal, again by Green Stuff World. They're 17ml bottles, just lovely stuff. So again, I'm just popping that out on my card here, just a little bit of plastic. Now this colour here is a little bit like a titanium gold, I guess, sort of that silver gold type mix. Again, I'm cleaning my brush in isopropyl alcohol, and we'll just allow that to settle a little bit, and look at that shine. Look at that mirror shine on that. No effort whatsoever. Just smash that on and you've got that beautiful shine. The last one I'll show today is the gold. There are other colours and other varieties in this range, so come and check us out if you want to see some different ones. Now this one isn't quite as chrome-like. It's not exactly a gold chrome, but it's by far the shiniest gold that you can get in a hand paint. It is just beautiful. So I'm just going to give that just a bit of a swish around and clean my brush a little bit. Let that settle. When it first goes on, it doesn't always look very shiny, but yeah, check out that. Can you see those colours there? The chrome, the tin plate, and the gold. Just beautiful. Look at that. They also come in other varieties like these ones here. This one is an airbrush version of the chrome metal. So you airbrush that one. It's airbrush ready, straight out of the bottle, and you airbrush that one out of over the top of a high gloss black, and to get the absolute best results. A really shiny high gloss black, and this on a low PSI sprayed through your airbrush will come out in a beautiful chrome. Also got ones like this. This is the Colour Shift metal. This is a holographic one. You can see by the label how that's going to end up coming out once you've painted with it or sprayed with it. I would say this one would go best having been sprayed through an airbrush as well. So that there is our Green Stuff World chrome metal range. Really fantastic paint, easy to use, great results. Come and see us at the Hobby Man and Hearns Hobbies and check out the range.